I was a boarder, late 70s into the early 80s, between say like 79 and 83. I was abused by three priests, and a layman. I was sexually abused at least 50 times between the four individuals. And I filed a suit with McAllister Oliveris in London, and we settled in 2023 at the Four Courts here in Dublin. Oh, it stunted everything in my life. My relationships, my personal life, my professional life. For 40 years, I have spoken to members of the Spiritans, and it wasn't well received with me. I feel they have, for lack of better words, they've done nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm dealing with attorneys, I'm dealing with Garda Síochána. I can't deal with the DPP because the DPP are not giving me any information. I've been told that. Yeah, that's the hard part. And the key is this: I'm running out of time. You know, they were in touch with one of the abusers, and he passed away last year. And here we are now, we're down to one more. And after that, it's over. I deserve justice. I mean, this is why I'm doing this. This is why I'm with you this morning. I deserve legal justice. I deserve to stand in a courtroom and face the last abuser.